A cure for the hiccups. Today, Pedro has the hiccups. Pedro is at the school with his friends Chandrika, Brooke, and Sanjay. His friends are worried about him, so they are advising him what to do. Chandrika has brought a glass of water and says, "It's a good idea to drink a glass of water while you're upside down." Brooke has brought some sugar and a spoon and says, "It's important to eat something sweet, like sugar." Sanjay gets closer to Pedro and says, "Boo! It's a good idea to scare people when they have the hiccups." Pedro has done everything his friends advised. He has drank a glass of water upside down. He has eaten a spoon of sugar, and he has been scared by Sanjay. Poor Pedro, he still has the hiccups. Check the following chart so you can advise Pedro what to do so he can stop his hiccups attack. It's important to plus verb in infinitive. You can give advice or recommendations using the expression "it's important to" and a verb in infinitive. Look at the example. It's important to eat something sweet. In this sentence, the word important is an adjective, and the expression to eat is a verb in infinitive. It's a good idea to plus verb in infinitive. You can give advice or recommendations using the expression "it's a good idea to" followed by a verb in infinitive. Look at the example. It's a good idea to drink a glass of water. In this sentence, the word idea is a noun, and to drink is a verb in infinitive. Give Pedro some advice for the hiccups. Use the following images or your own ideas. The expressions "it's important to" followed by a verb in infinitive, and "it's a good idea to" followed by a verb in infinitive, and give Pedro some advice for the hiccups. Create your own story. Choose one of the 6 following situations and create your own story of advice.